Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I will explore how the situation at the moment in Kuta area during the weekend. Okay guys, if you want to know how the situation right there in Kuta area in the night time, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, tonight we will explore Kuta area in the night time on the weekend. Now we start from Raya Kuta Street. So this is Hard Rock Cafe. There is a lot of car parking at the front Hard Rock Cafe. Okay, now we continue driving in Raya Kuta Street. It looks so busy, isn't it? Actually, I make this video on 11 p.m. Yeah, there is some car parking at the front of the hotels. Heritage Kuta. And actually, I make this video on 11 p.m. because I just make sure how the situation after the beach walk mall is closed. Because before 10 p.m. in this area is always really busy with the traffic because the big mall just been closed on 10 p.m. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Raya Kuta Street. It looks so busy, isn't it? There is a lot of car and motorbike parking beside the street. You see? Yeah, looks so busy. And also tonight, I will explore how the situation in Legian Street, especially in Ground Zero area. So, just keep stay in touch until the end of this video. And if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing Bali for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. You see? Legian Club and Bar. Yeah, there is some car parking there. Look quite busy. That's really good. Anyone missing bintang in Bali? You will have called bintang soon in Bali. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Legian Street. This is also another cafe and restaurant. It looks so busy there. There is a lot of people have dinner. Yeah, there is a lot of restaurant are open in Kuta Bali now. Legian 101, also there is some people in the restaurant. Okay guys, now we reach Ground Zero. In Ground Zero during the night time, there is a lot of people sell clothes like souvenir also. They use the car. Yeah, looks so busy, isn't it? There is a lot of people there. They do activity, selling and buying something. Yeah, this is the Ground Zero. Looks so beautiful during the night time because the colorful in this area. Yeah, looks so busy in this area on the weekend. And in the right side, there is VIP nightclub and bar. And also lots of people there. That's really good. So this is the situation at the moment in Ground Zero area. It looks so busy, isn't it? In VIP there is live music. And there is a lot of people there too. That's really good. Look busy, isn't it? Now we continue walking and we will have a look at the situation at the moment and engine room. Yeah, there is some people inside, but on the sidewalk it's quite busy in this area. Yeah, it is quiet in this area, isn't it? Yeah, it is look very quiet, but inside there is a lot of people in engine room. You see the traffic? It's look busy, isn't it? Okay guys, we continue walking and we will have a look how the situation at the moment at Bounty Club and Paddy's Pub. Yeah, that is Paddy's Pub. And Bounty Club left side. Oh, there is like have disco here at the Bounty Club. Strong music. That is really good. And some people there too. Oh yeah, there is a sexy dancer at the Bounty Club. It is kind of like dance party. Okay guys, so this is the station at the moment in Kuta area on the weekend in the night time on 11 p.m. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video and don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.